Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. If your eyes are positive, you will love the world. But if your tongue is positive, the world will love you. So talk positively, all good things will happen. Sai says, even a big storm cannot destroy you, as you are sealed and secured with my blessings. Let them play behind you. I will expose them at right time. Keep doing your good deeds. I will arrange everything. Have faith. At right time, you will get everything. Till then, don't be anxious and sad. I am aware about your wishes. In today's video, we'll go through how whenever a devotee had complete and wholehearted devotion to Sai Baba, all his calamities and dangers were warded off and his welfare attended to by Baba. To illustrate this statement, let's go through the story of Damu Anna and his speculation in cotton trading and grain dealing. There was a devotee by name Damu Anna. He says that he got the proposal for a cotton trading from a broker at Mumbai. The broker told that the business was good and involved no risks. Damu Anna, vacillating, he could not at once determine to venture into a speculation. As he was a devotee of Baba, he wrote a letter to Shama, giving all details and requested him to consult Baba and take his advice in the matter. Shama got the letter next day, and when he went with it at noon to the masjid and placed it before Baba, Baba said, "What does he write and what does he plan? It seems that he wants to reach the sky and he is not content with what God has given him. Read his letter." Shama then said, "The letter contains what you have just said. O Deva, you sit here calm and composed and agitate the devotees, and when they get restless, you draw them here, some in person and others through letters. If you know the content of the letter, why did you then press me to read it?" Baba said, "O Shama, read it. I speak at random, and who believes me?" Then Shama read the letter and Baba heard it attentively and said feelingly, "The saith Damu Anna has gone mad. Write to him in reply that nothing is wanting in his house. Let him be content with the half-loaf bread he has and not bother himself about lakhs." Shama sent the reply which Damu Anna was anxiously waiting for. On seeing Baba's disapproval, Damu Anna dropped the enterprise. Then he thought of trading in rice, wheat and other grains. Baba read his thought also and said to him that you will be buying at 5 seers and selling it at 7 seers a rupee. So this business was also given up. In a month or two, there was abundant rain everywhere and the prices suddenly fell down, and therefore those who stored grains suffered severe losses. Damu Anna was saved from this fate. Needless to say that the cotton speculation that was conducted by the broker with the help of another merchant also collapsed with severe loss. After seeing that Baba had saved him from 2 severe losses in cotton and grain, Damu Anna's faith in Baba grew stronger and he remained a true devotee of Baba till his passing away. Bow to Sri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.